Okay. By now you have set up your desktop so it basically looks the way mine does now, nice and clean. Now I'm going to show you a terrific tool that you can use that you can instantly grab everything from your desktop, not to mention how to clean up your sys tray to make it a little bit more accessible for you. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to scan down the bottom. As you can see, here's my programs that I have open, and on the other side here is my sys tray, which shows all the programs that are actually running in the background. What you can do here, instead of having them down the bottom to open up more space for you, is you can right click on your mouse and you can drag this up to the side. And you can actually make this as big as you want or as small as you want, okay? I have a 23-inch monitor, so that's as small as I can make it. But as you can see all your programs at a glance that are right there for you, and then anything that's open, your folders, Firefox, look at all my notepads that I have open right now. So this is a terrific way for you to keep everything in a nice orderly manner for yourself. This also auto hides. All you have to do is right click on an empty space, and where it says lock taskbar, it will say unlock taskbar or auto hide. You simply click on auto hide and it will auto hide for you. So now that your sys tray is set up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a terrific product. This is actually a free tool, and it's really going to help you because you're going to be able to grab anything at a glance. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open up Firefox, and we're going to put in Rocketdock. This is Rocketdock. You're going to highlight it and just hit enter. Whenever you download anything, you want to make sure that you're using CNET, okay? Because CNET is a great place to download anything. They guarantee that there'll be no viruses. So if you click on it, now you're going to bring up CNET, and what you want to do is you want to look for Rocketdock, and then it has the download here. All you do is simply click on the download, okay, and it's going to download to your download folder, okay, which is basically this folder right here. It's going to download on Windows 7, and on XP it will download to your My Documents or your desktop, depending on which program you have. So anyways, once it downloads, and then when you open it up, it might have a .exe file. If it does, you double click on it and it will ask you to run Rocketdock. Once you run it, then it will be set up. It will automatically set it up in your program folder. So how you get to that is you go to the Start menu, go down to Programs, click on Programs, scan down until you see Rocketdock, click on the folder, and you will see R in a yellow square. Just double click on it. And what that's going to do is it's going to launch Rocketdock, and this is Rocketdock. It almost looks like a Mac where you see it down the bottom like in their sys tray, how it pops out. This is an awesome product because it puts everything at your fingertips. Now let me show you how powerful this is. If I was to go into, say, Vincent Crane, and I want to put my desktop, if I double click, here's my whole desktop, okay? If I want to put that whole thing now, because my screen is nice and clean, it's either black or some other color that you're using to save on resources, you just simply take the folder from the desktop and you drag it up into Rocketdock. And once you drag it up into Rocketdock, it will separate where you want it to go. See how it separates it? And I can drop it in wherever I want. So this is terrific. So again, if you wanted to take your download folder and you drag it up into Rocketdock, it's a little slow for me because I'm using so many resources to make this video. You just click on it and it pops it right in. Now if you go back up and you double click on that, now everything shows up, your whole desktop. Isn't that cool? This is a great free tool. Again, it's called Rocketdock, and you can show your support with them. You buy their shirts and a few other things. They have dock settings. Now, another thing that you want to do is you want to click on an empty space and you want to right click, and it will give you the option to auto hide. If you want to keep it, so it's locked, you can lock it just so it stays there like it is right now, or you can just check it and it will auto hide it. Once it auto hides it, you never see it again. Now this just doesn't work for folders. This also works for programs. Let's take Firefox. So what we're going to do, we can't take that one. We'd have to drag it, I think, from the bottom. Let me see. I should be able to pull this right over. Okay. It's not letting me do it that way, so let's do it this way. Okay, so I'm just going to go into my Start menu. There it is. See how I have it? Now watch. I can bring it up in a Rocketdock and I can pop it right in there. How sweet is that? So you can put Skype up here, Rocketdock up here, Adobe up here, any files you want, Camtasia, which is my video program. Anything that you want to put up there, you can put up there. So stay tuned for my other videos that I have, my short videos. You're going to love the next one that's coming up. This program is called Jing. It's actually, you can see it right here, it was popping in behind Rocketdock. You can capture video screens instantly, not to mention you can do video. So I really look forward to you giving me some feedback on my blog at vincecrane.com/blog. You will see it at the bottom of my emails. Make sure that you open up the email that says short video in capital letters, parentheses, Vince, and then I will tell you a little bit about the video. I look forward to your next short video. Thank you so much for your time. Onward and out.